To fix an electric oven that won't heat up, start by checking the circuit breaker. If it has tripped, the oven won't function. Locate the circuit breaker at the home's power panel and switch it on to see if the oven starts heating up. Next, inspect the temperature sensor, as a misaligned or damaged sensor can prevent the oven from heating. Consult the oven's manual to determine if it has a temperature sensor. Then locate it and replace it if necessary, or reposition it if it's misaligned. Additionally, a dirty or damaged igniter can cause the oven to malfunction. To address this, turn off the oven, find the igniter, and clean it with a toothbrush if it's dirty. Use a skewer to unclog the pilot hole. And if the igniter is faulty, test it with a multimeter. If there's no continuity, replace the igniter. By following these steps, you should be able to fix an electric oven that won't heat up.